Hi friends! Today I'm going to be showing you one of my all-time favorite braids. I love the fishtail braid, but my favorite way to do it is the inverted fishtail or the Dutch fishtail. And I just think it adds so much texture. You can see it a lot better, but it's a little bit different, so keep watching to learn exactly how to do it. Don't forget to hit that like button for us so that more people can see our content, and also subscribe so you never have to worry about your beauty routine and you get new ideas every single week. Okay, so I am going to be doing a side part because it's going to be coming down on this side, and I'm just going to start by taking a small section straight across. It's about 2 inches wide, and I'm going to split it in the middle. And I'm going to take the first piece from the closest to my hairline, and I'm going to cross it underneath to the other side. And on the other side, I'm going to take the piece that's the furthest. I'm going to cross it underneath to the other side. And now I'm going to come back to this side. Take the piece that's furthest away from the braid, cross it to the other side, and then after I've crossed it over, I'm going to come and I'm going to add in a small piece and just take it to the other side. I find that it's easier that if I cross over the one piece from the braid first and then add in the hair, I don't get as confused. So I'm going to take from the left side, the furthest away from my braid, and I'm going to cross underneath to the other side, and then I'm going to come and add in a little piece of hair and bring it underneath to the opposite side. And then I'm just going to do that same thing all the way down. I know it looks hard at the start and kind of confusing, but I promise once you start doing it, it all just comes and it gets so much easier. Now that you can see that fishtail braid forming, I'm going to start taking bigger sections from this side of my hair where my crown is at, because it is going to be on the side. We don't want to have that funny like swoopy thing in the back of our hair. We want it to all stay really tight. So as you can see, I'm taking pretty big sections, and then just still taking normal sections on this side since I have less hair over here. And now that I'm to the nape of my neck, where I can't really add any more hair on this right side, I'm just going to stop adding hair in on this side and only add it in on this side where I'm pulling hair from the opposite side. So I will just cross over, not add any hair in, and then on this side cross over and then add hair. Okay, I pulled in the last section of hair, and now I'm just going to do a regular fishtail braid all the way down. So just crossing the right side to the left, underneath, and then taking the left side to the right underneath. And then as I get down to the end, I'm just going to secure that with a small elastic. Okay, I just secured this with an elastic, and now I'm just going to start making it fuller and thicker looking. So I'm just pulling small pieces out to create that really thick, full fishtail braid. And I just do that all the way up. Sometimes it can feel a little bit scary when you're pulling out so much, but don't be scared. It just makes it look a lot thicker and fuller. And if you accidentally pull too much, you can always just tuck it in a little bit. I always like my fishtail to look a little bit messy just because I feel like it's such a bohemian looking braid. So if you prefer yours to be really sleek, then you don't have to do this step. And then as always, I'm just gonna pull a little bit of hair down on this right side, or it may be opposite, I don't know. It's funny when you're talking to the camera, I'm pretty sure it makes everything opposite. So if I'm saying right and it's really your left, just, ignore that part. You know what I mean. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed seeing this bohemian braid, and if you try it, be sure to let us know. We love seeing your videos and pictures and hearing your feedback. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.